today's workshop was led by me and Shafak, and so we had a brief introduction on what chatbots are in the beginning. Then we went through LLMs. Um, then we had prompt engineering basics, strong prompt versus weak prompt and role prompting, all of that. Then we did a demo. We actually tested in real time on the power of strong of prompting, and we did weak demo versus then the audience themselves enhanced the demo to make it a stronger prompt. So that was there. And then we the tools we used for today's workshop are Hugging Face Spaces and po.com. And then over to Shafak.
Yeah, and then we officially started with building our chatbot and by creating our account on both Pro.com and Hugging Face Spaces. So it was a basic plug in and play for creating the chatbot in Pro.com, and we used ChatGPT's help to create the basic prompt in Markdown language for us. And we filled in the requirements for creating a chatbot on Pro and hitting publish. So once we tested our chatbot on Pro.com, we used the Post API key, and I had shared the requirement of the requirement.txt file as well as the app.py file to deploy our Hugging Face spaces and guide you guys on how to deploy it by uploading your app.py file and your requirements file and connecting your API key, which needs to be stayed out of secret. Don't share with everyone else. And that's about it. People now can go ahead and upgrade their UI, mess around with the template that I've shared, and guys, go creative.